Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to add effects on Instagram Reels. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on Instagram app. Okay, then click on plus icon. Then tap on reel option. Then select your reels video. Then next, then tap on effect option, then show all effect, then use effect, then use any option, then this option is search option, then search effect, 4K effect search. Okay, 4K ultra, then 4K quality, then 4K. Just click, then use, then next, then next, then share. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.